Question of the day, can this TireJect product save me from having to buy a brand new tire? But you know, if I bought one new tire, I wouldn't feel right about having 3 old tires on a 4-wheel drive four-wheeler, so I would probably buy 2 tires that would probably be about $150. So, is this worth the investment to buy me one more year to get all new tires? Let's find out. One reason I want to try the sealant is because I don't want to do a sidewall plug. I know people do it. I have done it before, but it's not proper, and I don't want to put my family at risk. In this kit, we have a valve core remover. We'll have to take this out so we can insert the sealant. That's a rough one. I need pliers. Be ready to catch this thing. It usually launches out of these. Caught it. We'll put the valve stem at the bottom so gravity is helping us out here. And if you do happen to have a latex allergy, you might want to wear some gloves with this. As for me, I have no such weakness. So this is about half the bag. I'm going to try it out. I may have to come back and add more later. For such a small sidewall hole, I'm thinking it's going to be well enough. Reinstall the core. So this is a 10-ounce bag, and you can add 10 ounces up to a tire of 27 by 9. This is a 25 by 10 by 12. So according to the reviews I've read, this stuff is not supposed to get hard and chunky like tire slime. So when it comes time to service these tires again, which I will need in about a year. So if this video is a year old, leave a comment and ask how the inside of the rim looked. It's time for some air. And you can reinstall the cap that says you have TireJect inside. Kind of cool. Now the best way to get this distributed throughout the entirety of the tire is to go for a ride. Whew, what a wet ride. Hey, if you have a C-Force 600 like mine, this hand guard is the perfect place for a garage door opener. Oh, come on. Oh boy, that was a wet ride. So now it's time to find the moment of truth. Did this work? I don't really need a jack for this part, but the tire didn't stop in the right place to look at the hole. And then you have to go over to your Prindle, put it in neutral. Yeah, this tire got wet. That spot was somewhere around here. And we've still got a leak. Maybe I should have used the whole bag. Okay, round 2. We'll put the valve stem on top so the liquid doesn't blow out on me. But it probably still will. That's my kind of luck. There we go. We'll just go ahead and put the whole bag in. Bottoms up. I guess I should have done this from the start. Well, it's all in there this time. Check it out. Blue bubbles this time, so the sealant actually found the hole. Outstanding. It bubbled for about 10 minutes, and then I wiped the bubbles off and spray some soapy water. No more leak. So for day one, this seems to be a success. If this happens to fail on me, I'll leave a comment. I'll pin a comment in the video and let you all know. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to find this on Amazon, I'll put a link in the description. And I appreciate you watching this video. I'll see you all next time. Hey, today's video is brought to you in part by support of viewers like you and fans like these.